Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. At first, unroll the list of all apps and go to Settings. Then find and select Security and now mark Fingerprint. At first you have to confirm your pattern and now you can smoothly enter your fingerprint. The sensor is located on your power button, so just click on Start. And now just place your fingerprint on the sensor till it is fully added. Click on Done and from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.